Anong gagawin mo kung sa isang call center company na pinagtatrabahuan mo ay pinaglalaroan ka ng mga multo? Yung pangalan ng sender natin today ay Roma, and she have been working sa industry for 10 years na. She is currently working around Alabang, and this story is nangyari post-pandemic. During that day, yung team niya is na-assigned to work sa graveyard shift, and yung schedule nila was 3 p.m. hanggang 12 a.m. Sila lang yung team na na-assign para mag-report on site that day, and also first time din magkaroon ng night shift mula nung nag-pandemic. Every Friday, merong initiative yung company niya na mag-celebrate ng Earth Hour, which is from 8 p.m. onwards. Ibig sabihin, limited lang yung use ng electricity, and these includes yung pagpapatay ng ilaw sa ibang area ng production. Yung team niya is mas gusto na walang ilaw sa area nila, so normally yung ilaw lang na nanggagaling from their area is yung mga nasa monitor nila. When the Earth Hour started, yung team niya is nag-start na mag-share ng mga horror stories to each other, mga ghost stories, mga kwentong kakatakutan, and si Roma is tagapakinig lang. Kumbaga para lang hindi siya KJ. Also, si Roma pala ay hindi nag-share ng stories niya, so hinahayaan niya lang yung team niya na mag-share ng kakatakutan sa isa't isa. Pero suddenly, it's so weird kasi since Earth Hour nga siya, yung aircon nila was mahina. Pero while they were sharing stories to each other, biglang lumamig yung area nila. Roma just ignored what happened and nagpatuloy sa pakikipagkwentuhan. Pero after nung na-feel niya, something weird caught her eyes. Wala namang dumaan sa harap niya, pero may nag-reflect sa eyeglasses niya ng mabilis. Akala niya at first is inaantok lang siya or baka shadow lang since yung ilaw lang sa monitor yung source of light nila that moment. And then all of a sudden, nagkatinginan sila ng mga agents niya kasi may naririnig sila na nagtatype ng keyboard. After nilang marinig yung nagtatype sa keyboard, yung agents niya started panicking, and ang ginawa ni Roma is trinay niyang pakalmahin lahat, and she asked them if they want to open the lights and mag-seek ng assistance sa guard. Nung pagtayo ni Roma mula sa kinauupuan niya, may nag-reflect ulit sa eyeglasses niya. But this time, nakakita siya ng isang lalaki na naglalakad-lakad all over the production floor. It was a black silhouette, and to their surprise, yung isang agent niya na nakakakita ng mga ganitong bagay is nakita din pala yung lalaki and just started crying. Roma asked the guard to turn on the lights. Everything went back to normal. It's as if na parang walang nangyari kasi even the temperature bumalik na rin sa normal. Fast forward, 12 a.m. na, and it was their uwian time. Yung car ni Roma is parked sa third floor level ng building, and yung elevators is may specific level lang na pwedeng ma-access. Pagsakay niya ng elevator, pinindot niya yung level 3, and nagulat siya kasi bumukas yung elevator pero wala namang tao. 3 times nagpaulit-ulit bumukas yung elevator, and she knows na hindi tao yung gumagawa nun. So nagsalita na siya since uwian niya na and said, "Uwian ko na, baka naman pwede niyo na akong pauwiin. Tama na po ang paglalaro sa elevator." After niyang banggitin yun, biglang sumara yung elevator. Nakarating naman siya sa car niya safely and nakapag-drive pa uwi. Wala siyang pinagsabihan ng experiences niya na yun, and even pagtatanong is hindi niya ginawa kung may history ba yung building, if something happened sa establishment na yun. Pero para kay Roma, isa lang yung sigurado siya. Hindi nag-iisa yung lalaki na nakita niya sa production floor. So basically, for Roma, alam niya na meron pang ibang mga entities na nandoon sa building. So bukod pala sa story ni Junjun, which is yung batang multo sa mga call center companies, yung mga tao din pala na malakas yung sixth sense is may mga na-experience na hindi pang karaniwan. Katulad ng mga kwento na nagpapasa-pasa. And para kausapin ni Roma yung entities na naglalaro sa kanya, she's really brave. But anyway, here is my final look. I just wanted a hint of purple and gold, so that's what I did. Love it. That's it for my video. Kung meron din kayo mga horror stories na katulad ng kay Roma, you can message me on Instagram, you can share stories with me there, and I would happily share it here if you're the proof. Thank you so much for watching, and for more videos like this, please like, comment, and follow for more. Bye everyone!